Meaning of frenulum.
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 Frenulum. The frenulum is a small band of tissue located in various parts of the body, including the mouth, genitals, and tongue. It serves to connect and stabilize different structures in the area, such as the lips, tongue, or foreskin. In the mouth, the frenulum is the small membrane that connects the underside of the tongue to the floor of the mouth, while in the male reproductive system, it refers to the small band of tissue connecting the foreskin to the underside of the penis. Frenulums play an essential role in maintaining the proper function of these body parts.